Hi loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a Bperfect palette dupe video. I'm so excited, you guys, because I feel like it's been forever and a day since I uploaded a video that was pertaining to a dupe palette. I have so many, honestly, but it's just, I don't know. I was just trying to, figure out exactly what you guys wanted as far as like looking at my statistics of my YouTube channel and to see what kind of videos you guys really reach for. So I'm really excited for today's video. So the palette that we are going to be reviewing is the W7 Mardi Gras palette. Now you guys, when I first seen this palette, like its outer packaging, I didn't know what they were trying to do. But when I had found out the palette that they duped, I'm like, okay, I kind of see it a little bit. So yes, this is the W7 palette. I'm gonna do it like upside down so you guys don't see like the mirror. I don't blind you guys. But yes, this is what the palette looks like. It is so freaking beautiful, of course, because it is the dupe for the Bperfect Love Tahiti palette. This is the Carnival 3 dupe. So yes, you guys, this is what it looks like. It looks literally the exact same. So yes, this is what the palette looks like. And I'm going to get the Bperfect one. And you guys can like compare the two as far as how like they look. So just give me a second to like show you guys properly, because these palettes are pretty big. They're not small palettes. So hold on. Ooh. Y'all, come on now. Now, I know how people feel about dupe palettes and everything like that. Honestly, if you have a negative opinion about it, don't comment. Why are you even watching the video if you don't like dupe videos? Like, this is kind of weird to me. But usually dupe videos do really well on my channel, so hopefully we don't have like any of those crazy comments. So yeah, this is what both of the palettes look like together. Like, y'all, like when I say they completely duped it, I mean it's even in the same placement and everything. Only thing that they didn't dupe is the names. So yeah, you guys, I'm really excited. So I will explain how this video is going to go. So I am going to review the palette as if I was going to review any other palette here on my channel. However, this is a dupe video, so obviously one eye is with the Bperfect palette and the other eye is with the dupe palette. So of course you guys aren't gonna know until the tutorial starts. So go ahead and like try to take a guess now. Like I'll come close to the camera so you guys can like really see if you can spot out any differences or anything like that. So yeah, I'm really excited, you guys. So I will explain how the tutorial kind of went. I was kind of all over the place. Like I said, it's been forever and a day since I uploaded a dupe video. So usually how I do my dupe videos is that I will already come on camera with one eye done, obviously with the original palette, especially considering the fact that the Bperfect palette is already featured on my channel twice. So I will link one of those videos up above in case you want to check that out. It is fully reviewed here on my channel. So yeah, but I feel like if you're here, you already know that the Bperfect palette is amazing. So I didn't want to make that like the main focus. Today's focus is on the dupe. However, I just added so much more stress on myself as far as I was going back and forth on one eye. So one eye I would use the dupe, one eye I would use the, original, back and forth. And eventually I ended up getting mixed up. I almost used the dupe color on the original side. So I was like, you know what, let me just, I need to just take some time to just do one eye at a time. So in the middle of me doing my eyeshadow, I just went ahead and did the original side all together. Like I finished that up and then I just went ahead and finished the dupe side. So yeah, you guys, hopefully it wasn't confusing for you guys. This is going to be just a, sped through kind of tutorial. I will have like the words on the screen just in case you guys are like get a little bit confused, or, I'll have all the names and stuff like that of the shades that I'm using. So yes, hopefully that wasn't confusing or anything like that. It really shouldn't be. Like I'll have all the information on the screen. But yeah, I'm super excited. So I want to go ahead and get into the tutorial, and then the end of the video will consist of the review and my thoughts on the palette. So if you guys like this look and you want to see how I got it and my thoughts on the palette, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so like I had stated in the beginning of the video, I am going to be reviewing the Dupe palette just like I would review any other palette. So we're going to start off with the packaging. So obviously you guys, this is the dupe for the Bperfect Carnival 3 palette. So it's pretty much the same size and everything, which I really love. I love the Bperfect size palettes a lot. So some are like XL and some are like this size. So I really like this. It's really thick, it's sturdy, it does not feel cheap or anything like that. It has some weight to it as well. So I really like that a lot. The outer packaging, it's okay. Like it's not really anything that's to like go crazy over. It's kind of cute. And of course on the back is kind of set up as the Bperfect palette as well. It has like the little picture of the palette outlay, the ingredients and everything like that. I can go ahead and show this one as well. So yeah, this is what they look like side by side as far as the packaging. And then when you flip them, around, this is what it looks like. So very similar, you guys, like very similar. So yeah, I honestly really like the packaging a lot. So this is definitely going to get 5 hearts out of 5 for me, mainly because it has some weight to it. It does not feel cheap, being that this is a dupe. You would kind of expect that, but with this palette, it really isn't. It's the same weight, it's the same size. So I really like that. So this category will definitely get 5 hearts out of 5 for its packaging. So second, we're gonna go into color layout. Now, y'all see in the beginning of the video that this is the exact same. Now this is upside down. I just want to have the mirror not in the camera so it doesn't blind you guys or you see this damn vanity looking a mess. But yeah, so yes, this is the color layout, you guys. I'm talking, it is literally the exact same. So I mean, it's the same shimmers, same mattes, is in the same exact placement and everything. So you know, if you would like to do a side by side like how I did, it would be so much easier because the placement is the exact same. Now, if this was a dupe that had like the different colors in different places, it would kind of be a little bit more difficult to match the shades in the Bperfect palette. But no, this is the same exact placement. So I really, really love that. Now, the color scheme, obviously, is the exact same as the Bperfect. So it's amazing. I love the Bperfect. So I love this as well. I love the color selections a lot. And I just really, really love how everything is in the same order and placement. So yes, this category is definitely going to get 5 hearts out of 5 for its color selection. So now we're gonna go into performance. Now, I don't know if you guys noticed during the like demo, I honestly noticed just a little bit of patchiness. Not even necessarily patchiness. I don't know if you guys noticed, but it's like this spot right here. It's just not blending. It's very dark, as if I used a black. I don't know why. I really don't know why, but yeah, you guys, that's the only thing that I could say. I don't know if it was probably my blending technique that I used on this side and it was different from, you know, the other side, but that's my only complaint. Other than that, this palette worked amazingly. The performance was amazing. So I really like how you can layer on the colors as well. When you're really into like eyeshadow and everything like that, you start to appreciate palettes more than just its pigment. You know what I'm saying? Like its color payoff. I really appreciate when a brand knows how to make some eyeshadows that blend together and they layer together as well. Who wants to just go in with the eyeshadow look using 2 to 3 colors because they feel like all of them can't really blend together? Like, no. Now, if that's your thing, then by all means. But as you can see, I like to go like all out. I like to use at least 5 to 7 eyeshadows if I can, you know, for a certain look. So that's really important to me. And this palette definitely came through as far as that. Like I said, I just came across a little problem with the outer corner, but this is not the first time I've ever experienced trouble with the like outer corner. Usually I'm always kind of like messing up kind of honestly on the outer corner, which I'm trying to work on now. That's why I'm doing a different technique when I would just go in with a deeper color first and then work my way out. Usually I go with the lightest and then work my way like to the darkest. But I'm just trying to switch it up, trying to get some, you know, new techniques and everything that can better my eyeshadow game. So yeah, when you compare the two, of course I would prefer the Bperfect side. I'm not gonna lie, because I just feel like it's just so much more cohesive. Like, I don't know, everything just blends a little bit better together, if that makes sense. Now this palette is still really nice, but at the same time, if you really want to like get down to it, I definitely do prefer the Bperfect side over this side. However, this palette is amazing as far as its performance. It's still very similar to the Bperfect. If you don't want to spend any money on the Bperfect, I definitely suggest getting this palette. It's damn near the same. So yeah, it's definitely going to get 5 hearts out of 5 for its performance. So y'all, I have done quite a few palette reviews here on my channel, and I could definitely say that the last 3 to 4 reviews, I keep forgetting the price. I do not know the price by heart or anything like that, so I'm gonna just leave it on the screen. I feel like I do this every single time, but I remember vividly that it's definitely affordable. You can get this palette on Amazon, and if you are obviously an Amazon Prime member, then you can get the palette a whole lot quicker than what you would if you was just a regular Amazon customer. So yes, you guys, I will go ahead and put all the information on the screen and even in the description box for the pricing, everything like that, but it was definitely affordable and way cheaper than the Bperfect palettes. So yes, you guys, I kind of wanted to get like straight to the point because as you can see, it's like you may have not known which palette that I use on which eye in the beginning of the video, but you can definitely agree that both eyes look amazing. So it was kind of going to be easy to determine whether you wanted to get the palette or not in the beginning of the video, but I still wanted to share my thoughts on it. So yeah, you guys, this palette is amazing. I really highly recommend it. And yeah, those are my final thoughts. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys like the look that I created today. Be sure to check out all of my other dupe videos as well. They do really well on my channel. So yeah, you guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.